on, little rays of sunshine. Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. It's very, very early in the morning. I'm Michelle the Introvert, and I'm on the road again. Actually, I have some errands to do this morning. I'm heading down to Superstore to see if I can find some pretty good deals. I just have a small little grocery list, but I want to go there to catch some sales this early in the morning. Today, I'm not too sure what the weather is going to be like, but I think snow is on the way. So I want to get as much done as I can before the weather hits. Come on along, my friends. It's going to be an interesting day. At Superstore, and now it's time for coffee. Let's head on over to Tim Hortons, pick up some coffee to help wake me up a little tiny bit. We're back at home, and I have my wonderful Tim Horton coffee to get me started on this day. And we picked up a couple of things, actually. Gerald picked up a nice breakfast at Tim Hortons and a coffee. And for Joshua, we picked him up a really nice blueberry muffin, which he can have anytime he wants to today. But it looks quite nice. And for me, to go with my Tim Horton coffee, I also picked out a blueberry muffin. So that'll taste great this morning. That'll be great, my friends. Now I'd like to show you what I picked up at Superstore. I found this beautiful Greek salad, very large Greek salad, for 50% off. So it was $8.50, and that is the full price. But at $8.50, that's a great price, and most of this is going to be going in Gerald's lunches this week when he goes to work. Also, I picked up this fruit. Those are honeydew spears, and that was 50% off, so $4.50 at 50% off. That's the regular price. Those are also going to be going into Gerald's lunches this week. And the bananas too. He'll have some bananas to take to lunch with him. Over in this corner here, I have some potatoes. They were $3.99 for a 10-pound bag. And of course, you all know I like my coffees in the morning, so I picked up some more coffee cream. Can't run out of coffee cream. This was 50% off. That was the regular price, so I got this for $6. And this is a cheese tortellini, and this is a large one. I've never had cheese tortellini before, but it looks delicious. And I think we're gonna have this for our supper tonight. So I think that'll do just fine. A nice, easy supper. So that's my cute little haul, my friends, and you're all welcome to join us for the rest of the day. I'm not even really sure what we're doing today. I did have some plans to go out and do errands, but by the look of the snow, I don't know. I'll have to keep an eye on the roads. But if we stay home and hunker down, if there's a big snowstorm today, then you'll be able to join us here at the house. So that either way, it'll be great. It'll be great to have you. Let's take a look out the back door, see what the backyard looks like. Yes, look at the snow coming down. There's our barbecue. Yes, it's getting quite messy outside. Let's go back in where it's warm. I'm back in the kitchen, and I have my big Tupperware bowl. I thought since I'm snowed in today, I might as well do just a tiny bit of kitchen work. I'm going to put this really large Greek salad in my Tupperware bowl and get it mixed up. And then I have Gerald's work containers here for his lunches. So I think I might do some prep work, get Gerald's lunches all laid out for the week, and that way it's done. Once it's done, it's done. And I've also taken out these here. Yes, I'm going to cut these up and put them into smaller containers for Gerald's lunches for him to take to work. So that's what I'm going to do right now, my friends. And also, of course, finish drinking my coffee. My beloved Tim Hortons coffee. So, away I go, my friends. So I've been working on Gerald's salads. As you can see, I have his containers full there. And this here has the covers inside. And after I put the lids on for his salad containers, I'll start on the fruit. I'm going to have to cut this up. And these go in their own special small containers with covers. So that's what I'm doing right now on a snowy, chilly day. Just getting Gerald's prep work done for his lunches for work. Yeah, I'll give you a close-up so you can take a look. And there they are. They look pretty good, those Greek salads. All in those containers. And I keep all of his covers in this. And this here container here, this plastic container, this is where I have all of his lunch containers set aside because it's easier to get to them when they're all organized like that. And we do have a little bit of Greek salad left in this Tupperware bowl. I think that we're going to have this with our chicken, is it called tetrazzini? Yes, I think we'll have this with this Greek salad. We'll have that with our supper tonight. That'll be great. I think that'll taste really, really good. I have Gerald's fruit all done up, and here's the lids here to go on them. Probably a couple of them I'll put in the freezer for later in the week, and he can just take them out accordingly. And there's his lunch containers all set and ready to go. And I put the Greek salad in a smaller, of course, Tupperware. This is Tupperware. I put it in a smaller bowl so we can have it with the cheese tortellini. I thought it was chicken tortellini, but it's cheese tortellini that we'll have with this Greek salad. I have all Gerald's lunch containers in this big plastic container here. And all I do with this is I put this on the bottom shelf in the fridge. And then every morning Gerald just takes out what he needs for his lunchbox. It just keeps it all together and makes things a lot simpler. Because Gerald gets up pretty early in the morning. So everything's all set and easy to go to put in his lunchbox. So now this goes in the fridge. My doorknob has snow on it. The bottom of the door has snow on it. Yes, in such a short time there's a lot of snow. I'm gonna have to do some shoveling, I think, in a little bit, but not right away because it's still snowing out. It's about that time of the day, almost lunchtime, so it's a craft dinner kind of day. I just put some puzzle pieces here because I thought it would be a good day to work on a puzzle. Here's the picture here of the puzzle that I'm about to start. It's a really nice one. Actually, Gerald gave this to me as a present, so it was very nice of Gerald. Thank you, Gerald. But I thought on a day like today, since I'm snowed in and I'm hunkering down, staying put inside the house where it's nice and warm, I thought a puzzle would be a great way to spend the afternoon. So that'll be fun, I think. Well, my friends, I want to thank you so much for joining me here today. It was great to have your company. I mean, when I got up this morning, the roads were clear. I didn't have to scrape the ice off of the windshield of the car or anything. It was very safe to drive, but now here we are in the afternoon. There are no cars or trucks driving up and down the road. Everybody is just staying put, nice and warm in their houses. And also, earlier I had heard that a lot of the businesses here in Yarmouth have closed for the day, have shut down for the day, just because of the bad weather. And I was talking to Stacy earlier, and she's been staying at home today. In fact, she has a cooking project that she's working on today. She's making homemade chili. So it's really nice that she has a cooking project to keep her busy, and she loves being in the kitchen anyway. Oh, and speaking of the kitchen, in my last video, I had made some homemade yogurt, and I wanted to show you some of the footage from my last video. I wanted to show you just how the yogurt turned out. So here it is, my friends. Enjoy. And here it is, right under this towel. And I'm just going to turn the light bulb off in the oven, and we can take a look at how the yogurt turned out. I'll take this towel off here. Look at that. This looks nice. I'm just gonna jiggle it a little bit. Oh, there's some liquid on the top. So I'm gonna drain the liquid out. I drained quite a bit of the liquid out. There's still a tiny little bit in there. But according to the recipe, I can mix the rest of this in. Look at the consistency of this yogurt. This is fantastic. I think this turned out, my friends. How exciting. How very, very exciting. I think I might have a little bit of this for my breakfast this morning. And I'll give a little bit of this to Joshua as well. I have some containers that I bought especially for homemade yogurt. So I might start putting this yogurt in those containers. This is great. And this is going to save me a lot of money making my very own yogurt. And I can add blueberries to it. I can add strawberries to it. Anything like that I can add to it to make it even more flavorful. This is a success, my friends. My yogurt is a success. It's been so great to have you all here today, and I want to thank you for just being with us. And if you like this vlog, please give me the YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. And I have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye.